just pulled out of the Brush Pro. That's why it's very important to take this third step in getting that extra dirt and grime out. So how does it work? The CRB is rotating brushes. It is designed to deep clean your carpets, to pull out the fiber, dirt, and hair, all kinds of debris that regular vacuums do not touch. The way it works is simple. It's powerful brushes. The two brushes spin opposite of each other, lifting up the dirt and particles from every side of the carpets. As it glides over the surface, it gets into those deep layers, loosening everything that is trapped in. And this little piece right here is very important. This is where all the dirt and grime that the CRB lifts goes into there and collects and not into your carpets.